Hi guys, welcome to Creative Dip It. Tonight what I'm going to be doing is it's a new pattern which I'm going to show you in a minute. I'm going to do a scooter rim, which is one of these little bad boys. We've just base coated this all nicely in white, just back taped it a little bit just to stop the stretching a little bit, but we should be okay. It shouldn't be no problems. Also what we've got, just let me show you, this is the new pattern, if we can see this. It's an awesome pattern. Let's get it that way. Let's do it that way. There you go, guys. Can you see that? That's a really nice pattern. So we're going to put that onto the wheels. I've done some of these wheels for a friend of mine who builds scooters. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to lay this down now, and let's go from there. So lay it down. What I do is to get it down without no air bubbles behind it. That's gone down nicely. As you can see, it's gone down fine. So we need to give that now 60 seconds. Basically, we want to do it just, you can slightly touch your film. Be very careful though. It does take a bit of getting used to sometimes. You, if you're a little bit unsure, just blow it out, blow the bubble out, like I'm doing here. I know you guys can't see it really, but yeah, that's going in nicely. So basically what we want to do today is drop this on. Now there's two different ways. You can come in forward ways or you can go out away from you. There's no right or wrong, guys. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get ready, get some gloves on, get some protection, because this stuff does stick well. So we're about there, we're almost there, a few more seconds. This glove on, so smooth this rim out of the way because I want the activator on it. We'll put this activator on. That's what I'm going to do now. Excuse the noise, guys. Don't get too close to the activator. Nice even coverage, as you can see. I'm happy with that. Right, guys. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try and do it in, we've got to try and get it in from this bottom edge so we don't get no airlock. So let's see what we can do. Just keep pushing it away like I am doing. There we go. And that, as you can see, is a good hit. Okay, well I'll do that now. I'll put that in the rinse tank. All we need to do is just basically just clear coat that over, and that's another good one for the scooter, guys. I should be happy with that. Okay, this is Mick from Creative Dip It. If you need to contact us, contact us on creative-dipit.com. In a few weeks' time we're going to be launching some products what you better buy, but if you need anything doing or any prices, just give us a call or any questions and I'll get back to you, no problem at all. Okay, thanks guys.